Hi you guys, it's Candles by Chrissy and I am back with another video. So today I got my package in from a candle company that I wanted to try out, and so I was like, let me go ahead and start a video so they can see it with me. I thought it would be interesting if you guys got to see me make a candle. That's what it's all about. And then, like I said, we're revamping the candle company. So we did the logo, we did the website. We have a strong following on Instagram, and we're trying to get Facebook and TikTok going up, and we're working on a lot of different things. You guys seen the vendor events. I travel out of state and I do vendor events in state, and then you also got to see just my interaction with the customers and things like that. So enough of that. I wanted to show you guys that I went to a candle company called 1617, and they are a candle company supplier. And so I wanted to order some fragrance. I'm using the same wax, and I haven't told you guys, but I use Golden Wax 464, and so that is an all natural soy wax. And so I wanted to see if I can get a stronger hot throw with different scents and try to mix them up. I wanted to try to test the waters a little bit, I guess I should say. So anyways, I got their sample package. Now one of them is empty because I've already got my wax and my fragrance in my cylinder container, so I can go ahead and pour them in each of these candles. And we're gonna do one scent at a time, but I decided to do this scent with you guys, the first one. I'll do the rest of them by myself, but I wanted to show you guys. So of course we have our farmhouse jars, because this is what we will be using them in if we decide to keep this fragrance. And of course I will add my own different little splashes, because of course we don't want to smell like everybody, and we want our own little touch, because we're a different, we're a candle company, and there's a lot of candle companies out here, and you don't want to smell like the competitor, right? But I also want people that are making candles or are interested in a candle company to be able to, know what type of shops that are out there. And so this one, they don't use anything on animals. It's all non-toxic fragrances, and I just think that the way that they use or make their fragrances is similar to the company that I'm already using. They're eco-friendly. They use recycled materials to put their fragrance and their wax in, and whatever type of product that you guys are using from that company, it's all recycled material. Even their shipping boxes. So I thought that was cool. And then of course everything is all natural. And then for me, they take their time out to make sure that the fragrance is at a certain flash point, so you don't create a combustion, a fire basically, when you light the candle, or it doesn't make a huge spark too high and bust the glass or something like that. So it's similar to the company that I'm already using, and I don't want to go too far out from what I'm already doing, because then it'll take the scents of my company and kind of throw them off, and I don't want to throw my customers off. I want it to keep things consistent, because that's the key. But I tell you the truth, I'm already smelling the candle, and it is almost to where we need it to be to pour. It's getting foggy, of course, if you guys can see. So when it gets like that, it's cooling down and it's time to pour. And then so the fragrance is Persephone, and it's orange blossom, bamboo, and beechwood. And I got the sample 3 package, and this again is called 1617 Candle Company. And then it lets you know about your flash points and the recommendation use, like you can use this up to 12% in your wax. And then it also came with 2 other ones, and they're both, all 3 of them are 1 ounce, and of course you use 1 ounce per cylinder, which is basically 16 ounces, which will fill up well, I have to go over, but it'll fill up 4 ounce jars, right? And so I go over a little bit because I have an 8 ounce jar, so of course I do more. But yeah, so anyways, they had, let me pull these out. They had Le Jardin, and that is tea rose, sweetgrass, cherry blossom, basil, and black tea. And I'm telling you, this smells so good. And of course, like I said, you will have to add your own little touches to make it your own fragrance, but just the base of this alone. And so I was researching, and how I got the company was I was researching, and I was looking for strong hot throw fragrances, and they popped up. So anyways, Kathmandu, which is Malabar pepper, cedar, sandalwood, and Baltic amber. So all 3 of them, I'm telling you, smell so good. And again, these candles that we're testing are the Persephone, and so we'll leave that out so I know how to label the candles when I'm going back to burn them, to test them out. And of course, I'm going to show you guys when I get to burning them. Today is June 27th, 2022. So when I get back on here, I'll let you know how long I let them cure for, because of course you have to let they say 2 weeks cure. Some people say a week. I say a week, so you know, it's up to you. So anyways, I got the package 3. It comes in this little box, and then you open it up, and then the little 3 little containers are like this. Of course, it's so cute. So anyways, yeah, and I ordered some other stuff, but that it will be another video. So right now I'm gonna let our wax burn cool down. I said burn, oh my god. Cool down a little more. So and then we're gonna pour. Okay, so we're going to let those cool. Of course, you center them, and I want to see how these turn out. Hopefully they have a smooth top and everything works well. So when it's time to burn these, I will get back with you. Bye. Hey you guys, it's Chrissy and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to show you the results of the test candles that I made with the 1617 fragrances that I wanted to test out. And this one is, I can't remember the name, but it started with the K, and I did it on June 27th. And as you can see, the hot throw is good. The candle jar is not hot, and it's working. So, and the hot throw is just like amazing. It has my whole living room smelling amazing off this one candle. So yes, I give it a thumbs up. I give it 5 stars on the fragrance, the trial set, on how it's sent out, and packaging was great. And like I said, we made magic with this scent. And so we're not going to use the same exact scent, but we're going to mix it up and come up with a formula, which I did. And you will get to see that once I put the candle out. But I just wanted to give you the review on the candle fragrance and the candle company. And yeah, I'll be using them again. Totally worth the buy. Totally worth the wait, because it does come from California, so it came a little later in the week, really a week after, but it worked out fine and I am satisfied. So I will see you guys later. If you like what you seen in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I mean, what are you waiting for? I mean, we have all the tools and resources that you need. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys are enjoying your 4th. Happy 4th and stay safe.